Working fine. Stopping the video. Video is getting automatically stopped. This is fine for me. Ending the session. I've started my session. This is Cloud Host. Pinning myself, pinning the other user, inviting Chrome demo speaker. Another user. Unmuting immediately. Share screen. I'm hiding myself. Running recorded video after screen sharing stop.
Baba Black Sheep. Sir, 3 bags full. Sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for his dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Now again running another video, and we'll go offline now and see whether CloudHost is working or not. Video is running or not, but I need to check. Hiding myself from the...
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and simple scenarios you can see on the screen of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number. How old are you? So what we can do is put if age greater than equal to 16. You've seen something similar to that before. We talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous video, but we can also expand that. We can put and space age less than equal to 65. So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than or equal to 16 and that it's also less than and equal to 65. So if we actually do that and then we actually do a print, have a good day at work. So if we run that, how old are you? We can actually enter our value, our name. We put 15. Nothing happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled, because age was 15, which failed this first part here. So consequently, nothing happens. So if we run it again, this time I'll put, say, 25. Have a good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges of greater than or equal to 16 and less than or equal to 65. Now, because the AND has got a lower priority than the conditional operators, this expression evaluates as we would expect. But if you want to be really clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended. So what we could have done is something like this. We could have actually changed this and used brackets like so, and we've made it very clear, and we'll still get the same result, but it's now a lot clearer because we've used those brackets, what we were trying to do. It still actually works, as you can see. So the parentheses, just to be clear, aren't necessary, but generally speaking, it's a good idea to use them, especially in complex conditional expressions. And the reasons that you want to do that is that it really makes it, not only does it make it easy to read, but if someone comes to work on, has to work on your code later, the use of parentheses makes it obvious to them what your intentions were. So for that reason, I certainly highly recommend brackets or parentheses. Now, Python also gives you another scenario. Instead of writing it the way we've written there, we can comment that out, or comment out just that one line. And we can also do it like this. We can put if 16 is less than or equal to age, less than or equal to 65. Which is another way of actually writing the same thing. So we could actually run that and just confirm it's working. We didn't get a message because we're outside of the range. And